These drones are being piloted by Ukrainian investigators to document alleged Russian war crimes in Kharkiv. They've conducted more than 3,000 aerial observations in Ukraine's east, logging hard-to-reach locations and details of crimes before they are destroyed by weather changes or human intervention.
With the help of the drones, we found body fragments of other evidence that the detectives or the prosecutor use in criminal cases.
Ihor Shub is chief of the regional prosecutor's office. He says the quality and speed of observations from the air is better.
There are mines in this territory, but operative observations have to be made. So we'll conduct observations using the drones and save the lives of police officers, rescuers, of all the first responders.
Vasyl Bilus is a Ukrainian serviceman who has put together a unit for aerial filming.
It is important to prove the fact of war crimes committed by the Russian Federation against Ukraine in both national and international courts, and to identify the culprit to bring them to criminal responsibility.
Ukrainian authorities hope to hold Russia accountable for what has happened since its full-scale invasion of Ukraine on February 24th. Moscow has previously rejected accusations of war crimes and has denied allegations it has targeted civilians. Tens of thousands of people, both combatants and civilians, have been killed in the fighting. Multiple war crimes investigations are ongoing in Ukraine against alleged perpetrators in the conflict dating as far back as Russia's illegal annexation of Crimea in 2014.